All right, so with our bird dog, we're working on our core stability. So as we extend the opposite hand to leg, we want to make sure that our body and our torso is staying perfectly still. So I like to imagine that there's a bowl of cereal on my lower back, and then as I'm extending, I'm trying not to spill my cereal. So we're trying to not be having any wobbling. As we extend, we're going to hold that position for about 3 seconds, and then we alternate sides. So as we touch back down with the hand and knee at the same time, we're trying to make sure that we don't dump our hips. We're just going straight from this side to the next, making sure that that bowl of cereal does not spill.